Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook cover on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you can swipe until you can see Facebook covers. This is the Facebook covers. And then after this, you can click on the see all. This one, click on it. And in here you can see many template for the Facebook cover. You can choose the Facebook cover that you want. I wanna try to add this one, so you just click on it, and after this you can change the text. So if you wanna change the text, so you just click on it, and after this you can click you can write the text that you wanted to change, maybe your name, like this. And after this, if you wanna save this Facebook cover, you can click on this icon, click on it, and then click on download. And then after this you can click on download again in here and finish. So that's how to make Facebook covers on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.